Guys, welcome back to ChemQuiz TV. Now, this is the video I'm going to prepare you ahead of your organic chemistry exam. If you're a student here watching this video and you prepare for any organic chemistry exam, then you need to pay close attention to what I'm about to teach, because I'm going to take you on a journey video series where I'm going to prepare you adequately for your exam. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to release videos on a constant basis to ensure that you prepare adequately for your exam. Now, if you're preparing for an organic chemistry exam, the number one thing you have to know here is that you cannot escape your exam is how to name organic word structure and how to name organic compounds. This first video is going to be a journey of here where I'm going to teach you so I can master and know how to answer questions when it comes to the nomenclature of the organic compound. If you check very well, you see question on the board here. Now, look at all these structures here. This is the exact way you are going to see these questions in the exam. So you don't have to fall into that pit that when you get to the exam and you see questions like this and you are not going to be able to solve it. So that is why I'm preparing this video series. So pay close attention. If you are new here and you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. This video will make chemistry more easier for you, fun for you to learn. So let's get into it. So let's see that the first one is what? Now let's look at what the first video here. The first question: draw out the structural formula and give the IUPAC name of the following. Now let me tell you one thing here. This is how you sit in the exam. So many students have issues of what drawing the structure of what this compound here. First thing, if you want to know how to name this compound, there's no way you can start naming this compound like this. Therefore, you must draw the structural formula, the fully displayed formula. From there, now you can start following the rules of nomenclature step by step. Just that. So now let's get into the first one here. If you check this one here, we have CH2, CH, CH2, CH2, CH2. Now let me just draw it out so to understand it here. Here we have CH3, here we have 2, CH, CH2, CH2, here we have CH3. So how do we draw the structure? Understand that this one here, CH3, is attached to this carbon atom. So that this carbon atom here is having what? Is carrying two methyl groups. So there is this carbon is carrying an hydrogen. Then what? CH3 and what? CH3. Believe me here, so many students will fail this thing in the exam. So now when I see something like this here, understand that this carbon here is carrying CH3 twice. So this is the carbon atom, this hydrogen, this is the hydrogen. Then this one here is 2 CH3, CH2, right? They are CH2, CH2, CH3. That's that. So this is the first thing you have to do when a structure is like this, begin to name. The next one to do here is to what? Start following the rules. The next one to do here is to start following the rules in what? In nomenclature. So yeah, I've done a bunch of videos teaching you how to name organic compounds. So it will display here. If you don't know how to name alkanes, it will display here. You can check it out. So now one of the rules in naming organic compound or alkanes here is that take the longest continuous carbon chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Do you understand? So if not name alkanes, you find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now they're all single bonds. So the parent name is what? Is pentane. Is what? Pentane. Right? Then here we have this methyl group here. Methyl group. Do you understand? So this methyl group is what is coming about 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do you understand? Now what happened here? That is going to be 2 methyl pentane. That is the name of this structure here. Do you understand? So if you're not able to translate into this one here, you might make mistake. So that is why it's very important to know how to from this condensed formula here, change to a fully display formula here. And we still have so many one of them here. You get that? So now let's look at what the second one. So the first one here is what? 2 methyl pentane. Let me to the next one, B. Is it okay? Okay. So let me at the second one. Here we have CH3. Here we have CbRO2 CH3. Drawing of this structure should not give you an issue. So here we have CH3 CbRO and what CH3. So now what is the parent name? Here we have 1, 2, 3. Going to be propane, right? Propane, because they are all single bond propane. Now here we have two bromine at what? This middle carbon. So you can say 1, 2, 3, right? So bromine, we have two bromine, right? So it's going to be 2 dibromopropane. Now let me break it down here. Now the two bromine, we start from here. 1, 2, 3. The two bromines are carbon number 2. So that's why we have 2, 2. Now in your rules of nomenclature, numbers and number are separated by what? By comma. And numbers and alphabet are separated by what? Hyphen. So it's going to be 2 dibromopropane. Now, if you do anything, I have that one here. Probably you want to do like this: 2 dibromopropane. This one is wrong. You are going to fail it. Do you understand? So if you say that you did not follow the rule of what nomenclature, you must separate number and alphabet with what? The hyphen here. So these are little things that students normally fail or encounter in the exam that cause them to not to get their full mark. So now you want to be careful of all these little things here. So now let's move to what is to the C part. So you can pause the video and try to see if you can name the C for me. Drop the answer at C if you can drop the name of this C if you can do it. So now look at what the C part. So the C here we have CH3, CH2, CH3. Here we have 2 and CH3. Now, what does it mean? It means that this carbon atom here is carrying 2 methyl group, right? So we're going to be CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, and what? CH3, right? So what is the parent name? Parent name is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, butane. Because 4 carbon atom, butane, right? Butane. Do you understand? Now, if I check the very well, you have this one and this guy, 2 methyl group, right? So my number will go to start from here because this is where we have the lowest possible number. So we're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you are new here, you'll be wondering, what about if you start from here? You go in the nomenclature state that when you are naming organic compounds, now the summation of the position of the substance must have the lowest possible number. Now I'll explain it again. The summation of the position of the substance must have the lowest possible number. What do I mean? He said that you must number it in a way when you sum the position of the substance, you must add the lowest possible number. Right? Now when I start from here, 1, 2, coming at 2 is kind of 2 methyl group. Right? So 2 plus 2, here we have 4. Right? But in the other way around, if I should start from this point here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 3 plus 3 equals to what? 6. Of course, following the rules of nomenclature that the summation of the position of the substance must have the lowest possible number. Now we are going with 4. And the direction that gave us 4 is this side, not this one. Do you understand now? So that's why we are starting from this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do you understand? So here we have 2 methyl at the same carbon atom. And the 2 methyls are coming about 2. Do you understand? So now going to be 2 dimethyl butane. 2 dimethyl butane. Do you understand? So we have done this guy, we have done this, we have done this. So now you can see that we are gradually what moving into some complex stuff. Now, like what I told you, these are ways and patterns. There are setting questions in your exam. No matter the exam you are writing, whether you are writing an international exam or you are writing a national exam or any exam at all, if it even involve organic chemistry, we are praying for organic chemistry, then you have to see this type of questions when it comes to what nomenclature of the organic compounds. So that is the reason why you need to follow through what I'm teaching here and pay close attention. So you can pause the video and try D and see if you can get the answer, because I want you to what follow this video step by step and interact with this video. Now, whether you feel it or not is not the problem. Now the good thing here is that you are trying to see if you can name the structure yourself and if you're going to get the answer. You get. So now let's look at the D. You can pause the video and try this D before you continue the video and see if you're going to get the answer. So here we have D here. Here we have C2H5, right? To CH3, CH3. Here we have CH what? 3. Okay, how do you name this structure? Now, this carbon atom here is carrying this three of this guy. It's carrying two of this one here. So now, whenever you see structure like this, it's a little bit complex to draw the structure if you don't really have an idea of how to draw organic structure. So now, what do you mean? Understand that this C2H5 is also the same as what? CH3, CH2. Is okay. So that is two carbon atom, 5 hydrogen, right? So now instead of them to do it like this for you, they want to do it like this. They just want to confuse you if actually you know what you are doing. Do you understand? So now this structure, it means that this carbon you are seeing here is carrying what? A methyl group and two ethyl group, CH2, CH3, and here we have CH3, CH2. Do you understand? So this is how the structure look like. So this one you are seeing here is from this guy. This carbon atom is kind of a methyl group, which is this guy. Then two ethyl group. Do you understand? Now let me show the other one here. This carbon here. So this carbon here is having what? CH and what? And a methyl group. Can you see that? So we are going to show that one here. Then let's move to this one. Let's move to this. Like there's a double bond here. So let move to what this other one here. So if you check it, here we have a carbon and what? A hydrogen, right? Then this carbon atom only have one hydrogen. Can you see that? Then this carbon here is having what? Two methyl group. So understand that if you want to pass organic chemistry exam, then you want to master what I'm teaching here. If not, if you don't master what I'm going to teach here, there are some questions you are going to fail woefully because you don't know how to draw the structure. So now let's go by it again so you understand what I'm trying to do here. Now this one here is what? A carbon and what? A methyl group. Then two of this guy, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2, right? Then here we have CH, then what? CH3. Then here we have this carbon here. Now look at this other one here. This carbon atom here is having what? A hydrogen, right? It does not have any other thing again. Then this carbon here is having what? Two ethyl group. Do you understand? So this is the structure. But you find out here that this two carbon atom is not having a complete bond. As a matter of fact, this carbon here is having 3 bonds, and this one is having 3 bonds. So you now ask yourself, is this thing correct or not? Remember, carbon must have 4 bonds, right? Since these two are lacking one bond here, it means that there is a double bond at this point. Now the thing here is that most students will not see these things in the exam. You get? So that is why you must master organic chemistry questions, especially in nomenclature, is a very tricky part of organic chemistry that students usually have time with. That is why I'm taking out this time, this video here, to explain it to you so that you understand. So if there's a double bond here, it means that I have what an alkene. Remember, the double bond is not being shown here, right? It is when you have drawn this structure that is when you now know if a double bond is there or not. So here I have a double bond at this point here. If you don't understand, I want to pause the video and go back so that you understand what I've just done. So how do you name a compound with a double bond? Understand that the carbon atom that carry double bond must have the lowest possible number. But first, let's get the parent chain. So the parent chain is the chain that contains the highest numbers of carbon atom. So when you are naming organic compound, this is like a complex structure. When you are naming organic compound like this, the first thing you want to do as an organic chemistry student, therefore figure out the longest continuous carbon chain that contains the what? The double bond. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 carbon atoms. If you also go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is okay. So instead that for this compound here contain 7 carbon atoms as the parent what? In the parent chain. So now, because it's an alkene, it's going to be what? Heptene. Heptene. Do you understand? Heptene. Now, why is it heptene? It's a member of what? It's a member of their alkene. Alkene have a double bond. There's a double bond at this point here, right? So that's why we have what? Heptene. Do you understand? Now, the position of the double bond matters a lot. If you take from here to here, you find that we have so many substituents. Now we have this guy as a substituent. We have this guy as a substituent. We have this guy as a substituent, and we have this guy as a substituent. If you check it very well, this guy is called ethyl. It's called ethyl. This one is called what? Ethyl, right? These are methyl, and what? Methyl. Do you understand? So remember, how do you number the parent chain? Now you must number the parent chain in such a way that the carbon atom, because these two carbon atoms, if you start from here, this is the carbon atom that carry the double bond. You start from here, this is the carbon atom that carry the double bond, right? So the priority here is that the carbon atom that carry the double bond must have the lowest possible number. Do you understand? Irrespective of the numbers of substituents you are having. Since there's a double bond here, the double bond must have the lowest possible number. So if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon number 5 is what is having the substituents. Right there. Now, once I start from here, 1, 2. Carbon number 2 is what is having what? Sorry. When I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon number 5 is what is having the what? Double bond. Right? But when I start from here, 1, 2. Carbon number 2 is what is having what? Double bond. So the right thing is going to be 2 what? Heptene. So that is my number. You're going to start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what? 7. Do you see that? So it's going to be 2 heptene. Now, if you want to name it 2 heptene, you can say hept, 2 in. Hept, 2 in. That is what? That is a bit of parent name. So, how do you now start naming the substituents? So, let me see if I can write this here. Now, remember, we have methyl, and we have ethyl. Now, you must arrange them alphabetically. E will come before N when it comes to alphabetical order, right? So, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ethyl. So, it's going to be 5 ethyl. Can you see that? 5 ethyl. Now, we have 3 methyl in the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, right? So you are going to combine them together. But what are their position? We have 2, 4, and 5. right? So because you are combining them together because they are all the same. So you must put the number first. So what will be 2, 4, 5? Can you see that? Now why we combine them? Because meter is one. Meter occur multiple times, 3 times. And what are the position? What are the different positions? 2, 4, and 5, right? So that we have 2, 4, 5. Now, please follow the pattern I'm showing here because if you miss this part here, all what you have done is useless because you're not going to get any mark. So it tells that number and numbers are separated by comma, right? Remember, number and alphabet are separated by what? This dash here, which is called hyphen. If you should make mistake here, you are failed already. So it will be 2, 2, 4, 5. Then, because there are three, you are going to use a prefix called try. Try means three. Try, meter. It's okay. Then I can say 2, 18. Can you see that? So the name of this structure they are seeing here, you can see that this structure looks so confusing, right? And if you cannot interpret this structure from here to get into that point here, there's no way, no expert can look at something, no matter how experienced you are. If you try to name it like this, you are going to fail it. So that is why first you must. That's why I say draw out the structural formula. They know what they are doing. Draw out the structural formula and give the IUPAC name, right? So therefore you must draw out this structural formula like this and follow what the rules of nomenclature. Just I have done a complete video on nomenclature of the alkenes. You can check it here. It's going to be at you go to reflect here, or it will be at the description below. It's very important. So this is now the name of this structure. If you're enjoying this video and you're following this video, please give it a like. You can share this video to your friends, especially those ones you know that will be interested in this video. So you can also help your friends too. So here you are done with that here. If you are following, please leave at the comment section that you are following. If you have any question, leave at the comment section. If you have any question, leave at the comment section. I will respond to that. So I want you to pause this video and try it. Let me see what you can do. So pause the video and try this E for me. Go guys. How many minutes now?
22.
Okay. 22 Shay?
Yes.
What's the if this video finish? 1 hour. Okay, now let's look at what the E parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 5. So we want to draw the structure here. So you have CH3, CH2. Here we have CH, CH2, CH3. Okay, let's see. Now, say this structure here, what do your mind tell you? It tells you that if you have been following what I'm doing since, you will find that this carbon atom here is carrying 3 ethyl group, right? So that's why we have this carbon here is having CH2, CH3. Please understand this here. It's having CH2, CH3, and it's having CH3 and what CH2. Can you see that? Can you see that? Do you understand? Look at it here. Follow up. You are distracted. You are pressing your phone. You are distracted. Look at something here. Here you have carbon here is having this one 3 times. Just like when you have CH3, right? Now what happened here is that this hydrogen here have been replaced by this other one here. So that's why we have CH3, CH2 3 times carbon. So if you give me this carbon atom, this is carbon atom here. It's carrying 3 of this guy. That's why there's 3. Do you understand them? So that will be for this other one here. Then here we have a carbon. Now this carbon atom is carrying an hydrogen and 2 of this guy. CH2, CH3. Here we have CH2, CH3. Do you understand? So I really want you to master this thing here because If you are preparing for exam, there's no way you are not going to see this kind of questions in your exam. No matter the exam you're writing at all, you're going to see this kind of questions in the exam. And I want you to smash it when you see it in your exam. Do you understand? I want to smash it. I want to score very well. That's why I'm taking my time to explain to you. So make sure you pay close attention to what I'm doing here. So after drawing the structure here, the next thing you want to do here is to pause the video now. I want you, yes, you watching the video here, pause the video and try it for me. Give me the name of this structure. I know you can do it. Just try, just try. Whether you feel it or not, I just want to try. So now let's name it together. The first one to do is to take the longest continuous carbon chain, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So no matter what you do here, it's going to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 6 carbon atom. You can see that there is no double bond. They are all single bond, right? So now, because they are all single bonds, it's called alkanes. So it's going to be hexane. Hexane. Right? So we took from here to here. Here we have all these ones as a substituent. So the question will not be, where are you going to start the number from? Are you going to start the number from here, or are you going to start the number from here? Mind you, your direction of your numbering matters a lot, because if you take from this to that point here, now let's imagine that we take our number from here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now, remember the summation of the position of the substituents. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is substituent? A substituent is a side chain that is not included in the what? In the parent chain. So when we took from here to here, these guys are not counted among the chain, right? So they are called side chain. So the summation of the position of the substituent here must have the lowest possible number. So when we start from here, 1, 2, 3, going to be 3 plus 4 plus 4, which is what? 11. 8 plus 3 is going to be what? 11. That is when you start your number from to that point here, right? Now let's start from here. Let's see what we are going to get, because you don't want to assume that this side is the lowest. You want to take it very well, because you are talking about your exam, and if that happens, you might be writing this exam again. So you don't want to be in that situation. So you want to confirm everything. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 3 plus 3 plus 4, right? When I come back 3, I have 2 of them. I come back 4. So you're going to give me what? 10. So just one difference. 11, 10. So the one that gave me 11 is start from here, but the one that gave me 10 is start from here. So that you are starting at this point. Do you understand? So it's going to be 3, 3, 4, right? 3, 3, 4, triethyl hexane. That is the name of the compound. 3, 3, 4 triethyl hexane. You get? So we are done with that one here. Let's look at this F. I strongly believe that you can try this. You can do this. Right? So try this one for me. Let me see what you can do. So if you are following this video from here to here, you should be able to do or name this compound. So here we have this one here. Here we have CH3, 3, C, CH2, C, CH3, 3. So this, it means that this carbon here is having 3 ethyl groups. So here we have CH3, 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 right? So you have CH2, C, CH3, CH3, and what? CH3. Do you understand? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is name? Going to be 2, 2, 4, 4 tetramethyl, right? 2, 2, 4, 4 tetramethyl pentane. That is name. So this called organic chemistry revision class. So we have to take some questions we likely see in the exam, and this one is a video series, right? So I want to take the next set of questions in this video. Now let me teach you how to draw the structural name from the IUPAC name, because this is one type of questions you can never escape when it comes to what organic chemistry exam. Like the one you are seeing on the board here, give the structural formula of the following, right? So they want you to draw the structure from the IUPAC name. As an organic chemistry prepare for organic chemistry exam, you must be able to know how to do this here, because these are things you're going to see in your exam. Therefore, they will teach you now. You'll be giving the structure to give the IUPAC name. Now it's not the reverse. You're not giving the IUPAC name to draw the structure. So let's go into it. Let's take first one. Here we have 4-ethyl 2,4-dimethyl heptane. So how do you draw the structure from this IUPAC name? Now the first thing you want to do is to identify, draw the structure from the IUPAC name, from this IUPAC name. The first thing you want to do here is to what? To identify the parent chain, right? And the parent chain is always the last name. Once you identify the parent name, then you can start from there. So when we talk about heptane, heptane means what? 7 carbon atom, and they are all single bond. That is called heptane, alkane. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? That is what you want to do here. So you can number it in any direction. So I can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see that? Now, this way you now start placing your substrates. So here we have ethyl, right? Ethyl is account number what? 4. Here don't count number 4. Here is count number 4. So we have ethyl, CH2 and CH3, right? Account number 2, here are 2,4-dimethyl. That is, I have methyl twice. One methyl is account number 2, and the other one is account number 4. So when it comes to account number 2, here we have CH3. Account number 4, here we have CH3. So it means that you are done with this. The next thing you want to do here is to what? Provide the numbers of what? Hydrogen atom. Remember, carbon must have how many bonds? 4 bonds, right? So that is, you know what? Start filling what? The hydrogen. So if I should remove this one here, now let's start filling the hydrogen here. Now enough for this one to have 4 bonds. It's already having 1, right? Enough for it to have 4. What do we need to do? You need to add what? 3 hydrogen, right? Now this is already having 3 bonds, right? So you have 1, place 1 to become what? 4. Here you have to place 2. Here there's no point placing anywhere again, because this carbon atom is already having 4 bonds, right? So you have what? 2. Here we have 2. Here we have 3. So these are the structure of this one here. So I believe you can try the B for me, right? So let's look at the B part. So the B is what? Is 3 chloro 2 methyl pentane, right? So you have 2 chloro 2 methyl pentane. So how do we draw the structure? It's very easy. Pentane is big paint name, right? Pent. That is, pent means 5 carbon atom with what? Single bond. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So you can start your number anywhere. So you can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can still decide to start from here, but I like to start from here. So account number 3 is how a chloro. Account number 2 is how a methyl. The next one is to provide you what numbers of what hydrogen atom. This is that, so we have 1, 2, 3, right? Because carbon must have how many bonds? 4 bonds. So going to be 3 hydrogen. You're going to be what? 1 hydrogen. You're going to be what? 1 hydrogen. You're going to be 2 hydrogen. You're going to be what? 3 hydrogen. Just and so that is the structure of this compound here, right? So we are done with this one, and we are done with this one here. So look at this guy. So look at this one here. So we have 1, 2 dibromo, 1, 2 dibromo, right? Then 2 methyl, 2 methyl what? Propane, right? Prop means how many carbon atom? 3 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, right? So I can number 1, I have what? 2 bromo, Br what? Br. I can number 2, I have a methyl, CH3. That is it. You can see how easy it is, right? So here we have to put hydrogen here. Put hydrogen here. Hydrogen, hydrogen out, and hydrogen. As easy as that. So we are done with this one here. So let's move to what the second part. Give the structural formula for the following. Here we have this following here: A, B, and C. So let's try and draw the structure. So you have 3 6 dimethyl 1 octene. So here we have 3 6 dimethyl 1 octene. Right? Oct means how many carbon atom? 8 carbon atom with a double bond, ENE, right? So it's an alkene. So an alkene have what? A double bond. Alkene have what? A double bond. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So now let's place our number. After getting the carbon here, you have to start numbering it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So when you say 1 octene, there's a double bond, but a double bond is a carbon number 1. So here going to be double bond here. Now carbon number 6, carbon number 3 and 6 are about 2 methyl group. So carbon number 3 are about a methyl CH3. Number 6 are what? A methyl group here. That is it. The next is to what include your hydrogen, numbers of hydrogen. So I will let me write this here. So let me ask you here, how many hydrogen will be here? Going to be 2 hydrogen. Why? Because this carbon atom is already carrying a double bond. So you need what? 2 hydrogen, right? Two more bonds, right? To complete what? 4. What about here? This carbon atom is already having 3 bonds, a double bond and a single bond. So it needs what? 1 hydrogen. What about here? This one going to have what? 1. So we're going to have what? 2. 2. Going to have 1. You will have 2. You will have 3. Can you see that? So that is for what? For that one here. What about this one here? The B part. Look at the B part. So the B part is what? 3 chloropropene. 3 chloropropene. 3 chloropropene. Prop means how many carbon atom? 3 carbon atoms. So here we have 1, 2, 3. Right? Propene means that you can either be here or here. So if it's here, right? So here will be 1, 2, 3. Then it's closed is at this point. So the next thing you want to do here is what? Include your hydrogen. Your hydrogen. So we have 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. That is it. So let's know what C. 4 phenyl 3 penty 2 on. Now this is going to be a difunctional compound. So I believe, okay, let me just show you this one here. So you have 4 phenyl 3 pentene to what on nice on. This is called difunctional compound. That is an organic compound with what? With a multiple functional group, right? So here we have the parent chain here. This is the parent chain. 3 penty 2 on, right? Pent means pent. When you talk about pent means 5 carbon atom. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have in, and we have ONE, right? This in here is alkene, and this one is called alkano. Right there, it's called alkano. Now, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is why you must be familiar with what with the what functional group. So we have called carboxylic functional group, we have called alkene functional group, we have called alkyne functional group, we have called alcohol functional group, and the guess. We have called alkana and alkano, right? We have called amine and amines. So that is why, as an organic chemistry student, you want to be familiar with the various functional group. Because as I've known that here, now an organic compound will give to you, they may ask you what are the functional group present in that organic compound. So we have in en, right? Is an alkene. Our one is what? Is an alkano. This one is what is a double bond, right? En. Why this one is like this? It's okay. That is a carbonyl is a, because they say 2 ONEs. That is 2 on. That is the alkano is alkano number 2. So you have double bond here. I get. The alkano number 3 I have a double bond. So here we have this double bond here. That is it. So it is saying that when we talk about 3 penty 2 on, En is what is a double bond. On is what is this one here. You understand? So this one is account number 2, En is account number 3. The account number 4 are a phenyl group. A phenyl is this, a benzene that is a substituent. Do you understand? So this is the what? The structure. The next one to do is to add your hydrogen. Your hydrogen. So you're going to be 1, 2, 3. The number of hydrogen here again. Here we have 1 hydrogen. Here we have 1 hydrogen. So this is the structure. So if you really want to master organic compounds, you want to master naming of the organic compound, and you want to be very, very good when it comes to what organic chemistry and every other aspect of chemistry and the calculation aspect of chemistry, then you want to subscribe to the channel or follow my TikTok channel for more of this type of videos. If this video is helpful, please give a like. Now, this is called organic chemistry with the short class. This is what exam focused class. So these are things you like to see in your exam, or these are questions that you are going to see in your exam. If you can master what I'm going to what you have done here, then if you have mastered what you have done here, then you should be able to answer any question regarding to what you have done when you see them in the exam. So please never joke with my video, because this video is capable of helping you prepare adequately for your exam. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and a comment so that I will learn from you. So our next video, we are going to do more of this type of video, exam possible questions, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching. You can check out the list of videos you like to watch. See you in the next video. Who is there?